Hi there, students. Earnest. Earnest can be a noun or an adjective. We have the phrase in earnest, which means serious, not joking. But earnest, serious in purpose and intention. He is very earnest in his studies. He's focused on his objective. He earnestly explained how the machine worked, so he really wanted me to understand it. Earnest, with a lot of concentration. So maybe I'm pretty earnest when I make a video. I will give your application my most earnest attention, diligent and strenuous. His earnest efforts were successful. Okay, so he was very diligent and concentrated on it. So earnest, serious, weighty, diligent, of an important nature. He prayed earnestly, seriously and with great purpose, purposefully, if you like. I'm sure you've seen this word in the play The Importance of Being Earnest by Oscar Wilde. Now, I love the title of this play because it's a pun. Okay, a pun is a play on words. The central character in the play is called Ernest. So either it means the importance of being serious and doing your things seriously, or the importance of being the central character in the play. And this is also a joke because the play is not in earnest at all. It's a comedy. It's full of jokes. Okay? Earnest, seriousness. So, earnest, sincere intent, to be very purposeful to get things done. I give you my most earnest promise, my most sincere promise. It's my earnest wish to see this happen, my deepest, most sincere wish. This guy is much too earnest and he needs to lighten up and be a little less serious. So remember as well, this phrase in earnest can mean the opposite of joking. So I can never tell whether he says these things in earnest or whether he's just joking. So I'm not sure if it's real or it's a joke. I say this in earnest. Okay, I'm not joking. Okay, so let's look at the origin. I think this comes from Proto-Indo-European or maybe Proto-Germanic. Somebody can correct me there. From a word Ernstutz, which means earnest or strength or struggle. Notice this word, it sounds quite posh or a little bit formal. I'd probably give it 6.5 to 7. I don't think I would use earnestly in a informal conversation in the pub. I think I'd just use the word serious. But if you're writing an essay or doing something semi-formal, or maybe something even more earnest that's extremely formal, earnest would be a really good word to use. Now, apparently this word earnest as a noun also has another meaning. It's a thing given as a sign of something else to come. Like money paid in advance as a deposit. Yeah? A guarantee indicating there is more to come. Yeah, so a pledge or something. So, earnest, sincere, serious, intent in purpose. In earnest, not joking, seriously. So, there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ernest, in earnest.